Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Nubia Red Magic 6R. And to do this we'll need to check the two apps. There's Play Store and Epic Games app. First let's go with Google Play Store. And as we all know, Fortnite is not available here, but maybe something changed and it will show up. No, there's no Fortnite right here. We can go for Epic Games app to check it as well. And here it is. There's a Fortnite. We can click on it and then install, which means this device has a Fortnite support. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.